Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Nimble CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your Nimble CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Calendar to your Nimble CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know, with Nimble, you can connect your Google Calendar to share events between your CRM and your calendar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Nimble CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Nimble CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your Google Calendar here on the left side towards the bottom, you're going to click on this little gear icon called Settings. Once you click there, you're going to see more information about your account. However, in order to link your Google Calendar, here on the left side, you're going to click on Email Settings. It looks like an envelope. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options here at the top, and you want to click on Accounts. Once you've done that, you should see the Google logo right here towards the middle, and you want to click on Connect Calendars. Okay, once you do that, Google's going to open up a browser, and you want to go ahead and choose the Google Calendar you want to connect. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next, Google lets you know they're going to share this information with Nimble CRM. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, next, you want to go ahead and choose the permissions you're going to give Nimble CRM. I'm going to go ahead and click here, and then you're going to scroll to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to click on Continue. Okay, next, the page refreshes, and here in Nimble CRM, it's asking which calendars inside my Google I want to share. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Once you've chosen, go ahead and click on Finish. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now, if you look towards the bottom, you're going to see the Google logo along with your calendars that you've connected. So now we can go ahead and sync the calendars by clicking on these three dots and then click Sync Now. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar to your Nimble CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.